It's all too easy to get to the end of your building or renovating project and have forgotten to budget enough for window coverings. That's why we turn to Home Blinds Australia. By measuring and installing yourself, you can save big time. Not only can the right window coverings change the feel of your home, but they can have a big impact on the heating and cooling of your home too. Let us take you through our latest project, Dream Home 6, and show you what window coverings we chose and why.
The master bedroom is the only room in the home which faces the street, which means we had to give consideration to the street appeal as well as the amount of natural light entering the bedroom. Using plantation shutters suited the bay window perfectly. It fits the character and style of the home when viewed from the street and still allowed us to have a seat and storage in the bay window. Adding sections in the plantation shutters enabled us to control how much light we allowed to enter the room without compromising on privacy. We choose Home Blinds Australia PVC shutters not only because they are high quality Australian made, but they are highly durable, scratch, dent, warp and crack resistant. All 3 bedrooms in the home face either south or west, so for this reason we chose the perfect combination of block-out roller blinds and sheer curtains. The block-out roller blinds offer an affordable option for blocking out light to help the little ones sleep. We installed the chain on the opposite side of the window opening so it doesn't flap about in the breeze if the windows are open.
The addition of sheer curtains in the bedrooms means that when the roller blinds are up to allow natural light in, we still get to hide the neighbour's fence. The softness and colour of these curtains completely changes the feel in the bedrooms. Running the curtains from the ceiling to the floor creates a sense of height in the room and complements the vertical lines of the wall cladding. When working in smaller areas, think about using your window coverings as a design element in the space. When closed, the curtains allow the sunlight to filter into the main living areas, helping to keep the home warmer in winter months. And when opened, they allow a great visual connection between the backyard and main living areas.
Home Blinds Australia website includes all important how-to videos to show the simplicity of measuring and installing yourself. Whether you're building new or renovating, don't feel like you have to compromise on quality to complete your home.